Well, it's Veterans Day. Didn't really have much to do yesterday. I put me some temporary exhaust pipes on my derby lawnmower. That one right there. And then that one. That one really is only temporary until I get that stack welded back on there and put on it right. Actually, see what it sounds like. Got to put a keeper on there to get it cranked. Make sure my switch is on. I pulled it for about 30 minutes yesterday with my 4-0 trying to get started because my battery was dead yesterday. All because my switch wasn't on. I felt so stupid. Let's see what comes back. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. There's the motor off my cousin's little lawnmower he brought over here. I stripped it down and took some of the parts out of it. Took out those two pistons. That piece. Yeah, there's two more pieces like that in the motor. Can't get them out though, there's not enough room. Those things. Favorite piece of one of these motors. And well, kind of resituated everything in here. Now I got my derby lawnmower up front and regular standard lawnmower right here. Racing lawnmower back over in that corner where it was actually, sort of. That builds up against the wall where those two push motors are at. My pulling lawnmower's back here. I gotta get some parts for it before I can do anything to it. And I got me I actually got me 3 weed eaters. This one had a clutch on it, but I put that. Put the wash on there with a little rubber bushing, so I can put a little belt on it or something. Works just fine. Now I got 2 more back there. All of them are weed eater brand. This one runs, but not good at all. I got to take it apart and rebuild it again. Motor's just fine. You just don't like to get gas. And then this one, my favorite. Oh, runs off pure ether. Well, it can run anything off between 2-stroke mixture, gasoline, and ether. So, sounds bad though. This thing cranks up, especially when it's running off just pure ether. Awesome. See if I can get it cranked. Nah, I'm not gonna crank it. Take too long. I think this is one of my coldest starting things out here. Gotta use ether. Crap fell off.